Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. Guys, if you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. So guys, in this video I am going to show you blonde short hairs. Blonde hairs are so trendy in Europe and many other countries. As you guys shown in the pictures, this is very beautiful. Guys, this is very informative video. Please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, please watch my video till the end or do not miss any idea or haircut. Guys, after watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new video. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing ideas and amazing videos of haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members and friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next